Do you want to say hi to the camera? Come here. Look. Oh, the puppy. Come here. Come here. Oh, stretch up as a baby. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really happy day so far. Today I'm coming at you with something a little bit different. So I'm actually going to be doing a hair tutorial, and I've never done one of those before, so I don't know how that's gonna work out, but we're gonna go for it and we're just gonna see how it goes. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, I love your face. Noah's our special guest. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing the fun buns or the space buns, like whatever way you call them. I used to call them space buns, but then my little, who's one of the requested this video, I don't know if she wants me to say that, but I did. Hi Lil, I love you. Anyway, she called them fun buns, and at first I was like, what the heck is that? But I mean, I figured it had to be, you know, those little buns, but yeah. So let's get into it. Okay, so first, basically just to tell you guys what you will need is dry shampoo, a little comb. I like the ones with the like ends, that way you can use it to part your hair, 2 hair ties, and bobby pins. Definitely that's the bobby pins. Okay, so the first step is, I just like lost my train. You can do this on like normal, like, so this is my natural hair, so you can do it on natural hair. If you do like big curls, however you, whatever way you please, it looks cute on like all different types of hair. So if you want to do it straight, wavy, big curls, you go for it. And then what I usually do to start is I always put in dry shampoo, just because it adds like that texture right in here where you're going to try to want to get some volume and where the buns are going to go. So do that. I use the Dove Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo, which I put in my April's favorites video. So I've talked about it before, like I'm obsessed with this dry shampoo. It smells so good and it works really well because gotta get that fullness up in there, in that root, you know? Okay. And then your hair starts to look crazy. Yep. Cool. All right. Next step is parting it. So I usually, I pull all of my hair, just kind of like grab it like in half like this in front, and then you can either do it like directly center, which I mean obviously that's probably like what most people are gonna do, but I like to do mine off center just a little bit because I part my hair on this side, and so I don't do it like actually where my part is, which would be like kind of right in here, but I don't know if you can see that, but I kind of just go just off center, so it's like not directly in the middle of my head. I don't know why, that's just how I like it. Okay, so then the side that I'm not working with, I either clip it or put it in a hair tie or something just so it's not in my way. And then what you're gonna do is grab like this top section of hair. So kind of like about right here. And then I don't go all the way back to my like back of my head. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like it stops about right here. It's about this much hair, if you can tell. Okay. And then, well, I guess you could have done this before you grabbed that, but like if you need to tease it up some, definitely do that. Okay. And then pull it back. This, kind of like where you want it to like set on your head. And then I like to twist it because I think it makes it easier to work with when you're trying to wrap it. And so what I do is then just take my thumb and like make a loop, and then just twist your hair in a circle around that loop. And you just like keep twisting until you run out of hair. So for me, this takes a while. Okay. Then secure it in place. Awesome. So then it looks like this right now, which like is not our end product. So it gets better. Then you're going to just kind of like pull on it a little bit to make the bun bigger. And this is where your bobby pins obviously are gonna come into play. So then you just start securing it with bobby pins to make the bun here. And then you can just like keep going, like pulling out pieces and bobby pinning them until you feel like you have the bun that you like. And then I like to pull that front piece up. That way it kind of like gives you a little bit of volume right there. Okay. Perfect. All right, and that's one side down. And then you're gonna do the same thing on this side. Do you ever get those bobby pins that have like the little pieces off the end and it hurts so bad? That's what I just experienced. And then again, I just like hold the bun in place and then like kind of pull the front out right there to give it some body. Cool. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching and for sticking around for my first hair tutorial. There will definitely be more hair tutorials to come in the future, so if you guys have a different hairstyle or tips or any questions about like hair stuff, let me know below. And also, if you guys try this hairstyle out, please tag me or send it to me, whatever, on Insta. My username is hertime. It's got 2 underscores. I'll put it here. But yeah, tag me so I can see. I definitely want to see if you guys try it. I think that's it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We would love to have you here on our channel. There's new videos every Monday and Wednesday, so there's always good stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Is that even? I can't tell. Man, doing your hair in this is like no joke.